Hey there, what is up? I am Joe, and today I'm going to show you how to use OBS to record YouTube videos. But before I do that, click that subscribe button, hit the little bell notification icon, and be sure you don't miss a thing. Now, let's get to it. Okay, so here I am on the OBS Studio homepage where we will download the software. OBS stands for Open Broadcaster Software. It's open source and free. Just click on the version that you need, and it will download the OBS Studio package for you, and then you just run that and install it as you would any other app. Okay, so after you install the OBS Studio software, you'll look like a screen like this. You won't be able to see anything yet. We have to set that up, and then you'll be able to record your screen for capturing YouTube videos. So the first thing we do is go to Tools, Auto Configuration Wizard, select what's best for you. I'm not going to be streaming, so I'm going to optimize for recording. Again, select what's best for your setup. For me, I'm going to select my max resolution, and I'm going to prefer 60 frames per second when possible. Then here go my final results after it does my testing complete, and then I hit apply settings. Now you're good to go. So now what we have to do is we need to go down here to this box here and add sources. The sources are the inputs and outputs for the OBS Studio software. So to do that, we click on this plus button, and the first thing I'm going to do is add my video capture device. So you want to do create new and give it a name if you like. Okay, so when this pops up, you can see it's hitting the back of my screen, because that's because my laptop is back there, and it's defaulting to the HD webcam on the laptop. So under device, we'll have a list of all your devices. I want my forward-facing Logitech webcam, so I'll select that, and then hey, you see me here recording with my GoPro. And then all you have to do is hit OK. Now you can see that I'm in the box here. You can move this box anywhere you want. You resize it. It's all drag and drop. So we're going to hit the plus button to add another device. We're going to select audio input capture. I'm going to hit create new. This is going to be my studio mic. So in the device, you have a bunch of drop downs here. So this is the different audio devices. I'm going to use my USB studio mic, which is this one, and I hit OK. Now I'm going to mute that so we don't get double audio. Now the last thing you want to do, hit this plus button again, and we are going to take a display capture. Okay, create new display capture. Again, you can rename it because you can have multiple of these if for some reason you wanted to, which I do sometimes because I set them up as different sizes, and then I'll show you how to activate and deactivate them in a second. So bang, wow, there comes my display capture. Now it looks really weird because you're seeing this like infinite, view into itself as it's capturing itself over and over again. So I'm going to move my window a little bit out of the way. And you can see the display capture was added down here. Again, I can resize this display capture, which I'll do. And I can turn it on and off by using these eyeballs. So you can turn everything off. There, I've turned off my screen capture. I've turned off the microphone, and now I can turn off my head. And now I can turn my head back on, so I'm back. Okay, so now we've added our 3 sources, so we're good there. The last final step is to just go up here, File Settings, go to Output, set your recording path if you want to change it from the default. If in Windows it defaults to your video library. If you're good with that, then you can also decide here the recording format. It defaults to an MKV file. I changed mine to MP4. That's a preference of what type of file you want. MP4 is ready to be uploaded right to YouTube. If you leave it as an MKV, you will have to do an additional step to convert it to MP4. If you plan on editing it or whatever, depending on what editor that you use, you may need it as an MP4 to bring into your movie editor. Now you're ready to go. You just come over here, you hit start recording, and you are on your way. Everything you say and do and everything on your screen is going to be captured in a recording. You hit stop recording, the file will be saved and ready to go. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss any of my future content updates. Thanks for watching.